Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread noodles. First, combine your dry ingredients, then gradually add water to form a shaggy dough. Knead this mixture for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. This initial rise is crucial for flavor and texture. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and roll it out to your desired thickness, usually about 1/8 of an inch. Use a sharp knife or a pasta cutter to create your noodles. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then carefully add your fresh noodles. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes or until they float and are tender. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your freshly made bread noodles are now ready to enjoy. They are incredibly versatile and can be served in many ways. Try them with a simple marinara, a creamy Alfredo, or even a pesto sauce. For a more substantial meal, add them to a beef stew or a chicken noodle soup. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or some grated cheese makes a perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.